Today we show how to buy shares of Agripower France SASU and the exact search phrase, how to buy shares of Agripower France SASU. Agripower France SASU develops agricultural energy solutions and operates in the farming and processing sector, and its shares trade on Euronext under the ticker ALAGP.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALAGP.PA to find the listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Agripower France SASU entry among the search results. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ALAGP.PA. Check the company details and the chart to confirm this is the correct Agripower France SASU stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending order, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.